What's good, family? Welcome back to another opportunity to honor your sanctuary. Now, if you don't know, my name is Trevor Taylor. I'll be your guided meditation instructor for the day. And today's meditation is a brief 10-minute meditation that is popularly known as a body scan. And what we're going to do is start from the feet and work our way up to the crown of the head just to consciously bring relaxation to the body. Now, it's common for us to believe like, oh, I'm laying on my couch, watching TV, scrolling on social media, I'm relaxing. But if we're not aware of how the body still holds on to tension, then we're not aware of the thing called chronic stress. And so what the body scan meditation does is it gives us an opportunity to go through the body in sections and then to use the power of our breath, the power of our intention to relax different parts of the body. And oftentimes become more aware of where we have been holding on to tension and didn't realize it. So, that being said, just get into a comfortable seated position. No, you don't have to sit like me. All right, there's an emphasis on comfortable. If your body is comfortable, then you can begin to relax. But if you need props, if you need a wall, if you just want to lay down, all of that is completely okay. As long as you're not falling asleep. We want to make sure that you can remain present, remain conscious, so you can do the work of bringing ease to your body. So, as you find a comfortable seat, begin to connect with your breath. It's not meaning you have to control it, but simply becoming aware that you are, have been, and will continue to have a body that breathes on its own. What a gift. And if you like, you can even close your eyes and just begin to follow the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice which nostril are you breathing through more in the moment. And where do you feel the breath happening primarily? It could be in the chest. Maybe you feel it in the ribs. Or even deep down into the belly. And so we'll take 3 conscious breaths. Breathing in through the nose, 2 inches below the belly button. The ribs expand left and right. The sternum lifts. And open the mouth and sigh it out. Good. Let's do that 2 more times. Into the belly, ribs, chest. And let it go. And 1 more for yourself. Now come back to the breath. Now bring your awareness to your toes. With your next exhale, invite the toes to relax. Then the feet. And the ankles. The lower legs. Muscles around the knees. See if you can relax the top of the thigh and the quads. Then the hamstrings on the back of the thighs. With your exhale, can you bring ease to the outer hips? And the inner thighs. Your waist and your pelvis. And just breathe here for a few more moments, honoring the roots. Now breathe into the belly. And relax the lower abdomen, the low back. And release the mid-back and the front of the core. Bringing our attention up to the chest. Can we allow the shoulders to relax and the collarbones to broaden? Even breathing into that space. And relax the upper arms. And the lower arm. You bring ease to the hands and invite the fingers to relax. And then breathe into the throat, bringing your awareness to your neck, your traps, and inviting them to find ease. And then bring ease to the jaw, into the nose, to the eyes, bring ease to the space between your eyebrows, even the back of the head. Bring your attention to your scalp. And see what it's like to invite that also to relax. And for the next few moments, with the understanding and awareness of the full body, allow the inhale to be an experience of life, and an exhale, an experience of relaxation. Inviting the breath into the body and letting go of what no longer serves you or the body. Continuing to stay with the breath. It's in moments of stillness where we notice how distracted we are, typically. It's in moments of silence where we recognize how much noise we're constantly bombarded with, externally and internally. So it's important that we make time for silence, stillness, so that we can come back to this place, this energetic experience of clarity, ease, relaxation, and interconnectedness. Whenever you're ready, you can maybe rub the hands together, create a little heat between the palms, and bring them over your eyes. And slowly flutter the eyes open. Now, I hope that you experienced a shift, whether that was in perspective, a shift mentally, experiencing a shift in how you feel physically. Maybe there's even been a shift in your energy. Whatever it may be, I want to encourage you and empower you to know that you did this. While I offered guidance, you, the master of your mind and body, you ensured that you received that which you were looking for. And so come back to this practice time and time again. If you really want full richness of this, try for 30 days. Maybe 30 days at the start of the day before grabbing your phone and swiping through messages, and or before going to bed, especially if you may struggle with insomnia, just have trouble getting rest at night. With the breath and our awareness and our mindful use of time, these things are free, yet incredibly impactful and powerful on how we show up for ourselves, how we relieve ourselves of stress, how we honor our sanctuary. and how we also show up for others in service. So, from light to light, it's all love. I wish you peace and blessings along your journey. And until next time, family, much love. Namaste.